Some things seem to stay the same, and some things don't. A bungee jumper surrenders to gravity and feels change. First the fall, and then the stretch of the bungee cord, and the bounce back up. Gravity, cord stretch, settling where these two forces balance. The price of eggs depends on market forces. Sellers want higher prices. Buyers want lower prices. From day to day, prices stay at a balanced level, stable. Bungee jumping, eggs, and stars. In stars, gravitational crush is matched by explosive energy release. The result? Stability for billions of years. A star naturally finds balance of gravity and explosion. Your temperature right now is very close to 37 degrees Celsius. Your body acts night and day to keep it that way. It has energy-releasing processes, burning food. It has other methods too, like sweating to cool down and shivering to warm up. These are two of those opposing influences producing stability. But the body can lose this balance when it's exposed too much to low temperature. If body temperature falls below 35 degrees Celsius, then shivering can stop. That can produce more cooling. Things get worse. Some energy-releasing body processes slow down. It's a vicious circle, with destabilizing and destructive feedback. With more cooling, the brain stops working properly. Then, without rescue, everything stops working. Let's get back home. It's not just eggs, but anything that's bought and sold, including houses, that market forces can keep under control, stable, usually. Sometimes, when prices are drifting, people don't stop buying. They rush to buy. Then house prices can go up until they crash. The house market can experience a destabilizing feedback. So what about the planet we live on? It's a busy place with lots of changes going on. Since people found fossil fuel in the ground and started burning it, there have been some new changes. Burning those fuels has released carbon dioxide, CO2, into the atmosphere. CO2 is a greenhouse gas. It traps energy on the planet. So the planet has lost its energy balance. Its temperature is rising. Should we expect destructive feedback? If temperature keeps on rising and ice and shiny snow keep on melting, then the Earth's surface will have more ocean, rock, soil, or plants instead of snow. The new darker surfaces absorb more energy from the sun and get warmer, also warming the air above them. That makes warming worse and worse. Destructive feedback. What about the oceans? The good news is that oceans absorb CO2. The first bad news is that absorption has made seawater more acidic. Around the world, the acid is killing coral. More bad news. The oceans are becoming worse at absorbing CO2 from the air, and the warmer the water gets, the worse that becomes. More destructive feedback. CO2 produces warming, which results in more CO2 staying in the atmosphere, and on it goes, getting worse and worse. Destabilizing an entire planet is not the smartest idea, especially if it's one you live on.